Florida tree experts urge preventative removal practices to reduce hurricane-related property damage. David Mummerts Tree Service is warning that unsafe or improper tree removal practices across South Florida are increasing the risk of severe storm damage during hurricane season. The company emphasizes that poorly executed cutting can weaken tree structures, leaving hidden hazards that may cause roof damage, fallen debris, and infrastructure risks during high winds and heavy rain. By promoting professional inspections and preventative tree and lot clearing services, the firm encourages property owners to take proactive steps to improve storm readiness and reduce long-term damage risks.